In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Square appointments into your Wix site, making it easier than ever for your customers to book appointments directly from your website. This walkthrough is perfect for businesses looking to streamline their booking process, enhancing both client satisfaction and operational efficiency. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Square's homepage. Here you'll find a comprehensive suite of tools designed to power your entire business. But for today, we are solely focused on adding that crucial booking feature to your site. Once you're on Square's page, locate and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email address and password associated with your Square account. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be granted access to your Square dashboard, your operations command center. Now, this is where things start to get interesting. Within your dashboard, you're going to want to explore a bit until you find the More Tools option. Clicking on this will reveal a plethora of tools at your disposal, but for our current purpose, you'll want to select the Virtual Appointments. After you've navigated to the Appointments section, your next step is to adjust your online booking settings. Locate and click on Online Booking, followed by the Channels option. Here you'll find what you need to embed the booking feature into an existing site. Yes, that's right, your Wix site is about to get a whole lot more functional. Click on the option to add your booking flow to an existing site and then click on Get Started. The excitement builds as you're just a few clicks away from an important upgrade to your site. Now you'll see an option to Get Embed Code. This is the golden ticket. Click on this and then on the copy icon to grab the code you need. Remember to click Done to finalize this step. With the code copied, it's time to jump over to your Wix account. Go ahead and log in, then select the website you wish to edit. Wix's editor is quite intuitive, so you'll easily find your way to the Add section area. Here, click on Add Elements. Searching for code in Wix's Elements search bar will bring up the option to embed custom HTML. That's exactly what you're looking for. Click on Embed HTML and a box will appear on your page, waiting for you to breathe some life into it by pasting the code you copied from Square. Now paste the code into the HTML box. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you're moments away from crossing the finish line. Go ahead and click on Update, and just like that you've embedded Square appointments into your Wix site. But before we wrap up, let me share a few tips to ensure everything runs as smoothly as your booking process now will. First, always double check the code before pasting it to avoid any typos that might break the functionality. Second, consider the positioning of your booking section on your Wix site. You want it to be easily accessible to your visitors, so think strategically about placement. Lastly, after you've added the booking feature, test it out. Go through the booking process as a customer would to ensure everything is in perfect working order. Congratulations! You've just enhanced your Wix site with Square appointments, taking a significant step forward in making your business more accessible to your clients. Not only does this addition to your website streamline the booking process, but it also reflects your commitment to customer service and operational efficiency. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for following along. Whether you're new to Wix or Square or a seasoned pro, I hope you found these steps straightforward and helpful. Your pathway to a more connected and efficient client booking system is now wide open, and it's all thanks to a few minutes of integration work. Here's to making your business even better.